Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Pinterest on your Android phone. Whether you're a seasoned pinner or new to the platform, Pinterest is a fantastic way to discover inspiration for just about anything. First things first, let's head over to the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once you're in the Google Play Store, go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top. Now type in Pinterest and hit enter. You'll see the Pinterest app pop up at the top of the search results. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, you'll see the Pinterest page with all the details about the app. To download it, simply tap on the install button. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a few moments to download and install. Once the installation is complete, tap on the open button to launch the Pinterest app. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Pinterest on your Android phone.